Congratulations, FedEx Team Memphis.
So much anticipation, I really can't describe the feeling. We've been trying for this for a long time. It's just the team we have. We came together organically, and the skill level on this team, this group of guys, is impeccable compared to any other team I've been on, and this is the fourth one. Oh, the level of competition is very high. My first competition was in 2013, and it's leaps and bounds ahead of what it was back then. Back then, we just kind of showed up, saw what we were going to do, and then did it to the best of our ability. And now the competitiveness has gotten so high that you have to prepare for it, plan for it, and pick the right team members that are going to be able to execute their task.
And in first place, Tulsa Technical Students.
Oh, they've been killing it all week. Their hard work is definitely paying off. They've been putting in the hours. So yeah, and they've gotten great compliments from the judges on their professionalism and just their overall times and how well they perform maintenance and follow the checklist and everything. So we got good reports from the judges all week. So I really had a good feeling about a lot of the events. You know, they just put in so much hard work. They gave up weekends. They gave up time during class, after class. To prepare for this. I can't thank American Airlines Base enough. They came and they helped train these guys in their own spare time. We appreciate Snap-on so much for being a huge pillar of this organization in the AMC. They've been a part of this event from its inception. They're a huge part of the Oklahoma Career Tech and also Skills USA in general, nationwide. So all of the events, Snap-on is a huge part of. They're a huge pillar of the industry. They're in many industries, but the support that you give the aviation industry that Snap-on gives is instrumental in us being able to continue doing what we're doing.